Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error with your battery when your battery really fast draining and how you can fix it. So for fixing it, just go to the settings, just open the settings, and first thing you need to check is just find your battery and just go to battery health and just fix if your battery maximum capacity is more than 80%, so you don't need to change your battery, because maybe here in maximum capacity you have very low percent, and it means that you need to change your battery. So also you can turn on low power mode here, and it will save your battery and for more time without for working more time without charging. And another thing you can also check is just go to screen time and just turn off screen time, because you know it really takes a lot of your battery. And after, you can also go to the general, and in the general you need to find background app refresh and just turn off here. So you know it will save your battery for working more long. So after, you can also just find here display and brightness. Just try to make your screen less brightness, and also you can try to turn off your cellular data if you're using it. So just turn off here, and also you can turn off your location services, because it also takes a lot of your. But if you only you don't open apps in which you need to turn on this location services, like maps or something like this. So just tap here and just turn off location services, and it will help your phone to work longer without charging. So I hope I help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.